Big Panda, tutorials, lives, reviews, yeah, all that. Big Panda, not the little one. Hey, what you mean? Big box braids on your top, yeah, add it up. Gang finna hit a milli, yeah, add it up. Panda, can you post a vid? I've been really booked and busy, but I got you, sis. Big subs, box braids, and they tug. Dropping gems, tell your friends, yeah, let's run it up. Big likes, drop a comment or we finna fight. Cause why wouldn't you like, comment, and subscribe to my videos? Like, that's weird. What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxXPANA, and if you guys read the title, you guys already know what the vibes are. Today we are going to be installing 30-inch faux locks, and I'm super excited because I learned a new method. I'm not sure if it's going to be new to you guys, but it is new to me, and you guys know whenever I learn a new technique, I like to bring it to you guys. So today this video is sponsored by the Janet Collection. I'm using their 30-inch butterfly locks in the color Icy. These are crochet locks, and they are offered in all natural colors and some ombre colors. You should be able to find them at your local beauty supply. I'm going to be wrapping the top of the locks with this silver spring twist hair, and I actually purchased that off Amazon. I'll make sure that I link that in the description section below for you. So I'm going to show you guys this technique that I learned off of an Instagram reel. I really honestly don't remember where I saw it from, but I've seen this done a couple times, and I was like, oh my god, y'all know I hate doing faux locks, so anything that I feel like will save me time when doing this style, yeah, I have to try it. So you're gonna go ahead and braid your client's hair down about an inch, and you're going to take your crochet hook, you're gonna put it through the loop of the actual crochet hair, and then you are gonna pull through one strand of the braid and then continue to braid down your client's natural hair. Now we're still gonna tuck our client's natural hair into the lock, but you're only gonna do the rest of this hair that you're braiding down now, and the lock will be hanging about an inch down from your client's scalp. This is super cool because you're gonna take the spring twist crochet hair and you're gonna only wrap the top of the lock. It's gonna give that look like, you know, when you see locks and the root is like really tight and then it goes and transitions into the lock, you're gonna get that look, which I absolutely love. And this prevents you from having to wrap the whole lock, and it's also gonna stop your locks from unraveling. So there are so many reasons why I absolutely love this method, and I tried to keep everything for you guys in regular speed for this lock and the one next to it. So now I'm taking one piece of that spring twist hair that I have kind of feathered out a little bit. You do want to open it up just so that it covers more space and you can get that kind of fluffy look out of it. And I'm going to crochet one side in there. The other side I'm going to go ahead and wrap around. When doing butterfly locks, I have preferred to use spring twist hair over the passion twist hair because spring twist hair is a little bit more coarse and it has a tighter curl pattern, so it will give you more of a messy look without having to do the thumb method with the butterfly locks where you stick your thumb and make the loops. So I have previously in the past chosen to use spring twist hair, and it's also just super easy to find it in a bunch of different colors. So yeah. So this is what my lock is going to look like. When I decided to do the silver hair, I honestly thought that it was going to match the lock because I didn't realize that the lock was actually white. But as I wrapped it, I'm like, okay, it's kind of just like an ombre effect type thing. And after I did this lock, I was like, okay, this might be cute or whatever. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue to use the spring twist hair to wrap these locks. You can also just purchase white spring twist hair because these icy locks, when they say icy, they meant yeah, we're really white. So yeah, there is a little bit of a contrast, but honestly at the end I didn't really think that it ended up looking bad. One thing I do want to address about these locks, because I know in the past I've done faux lock videos and people have said that it's really hard to get the crochet hook through the middle of the lock. These locks are really soft and it's very easy to do that with. Some locks, however they're constructed, are really tight, so it is harder to get your crochet loop through the middle, but that's really not the case with this one. But that's also a good and a bad thing. Sometimes I like the lock to be a little bit tighter because you have less of a chance of your client's natural hair peeking through. With these locks, you really have to be careful because if you are moving your crochet hook around too much in there, then you'll start to see little gaps where you can see your client's natural hair. So I would really recommend when you're wrapping your lock to wrap up until where your client's natural hair stops. That way you can prevent their natural hair from actually peeking through the lock. So as I'm pulling my client's hair through, you will see a couple brown spots. You'll kind of just see what I'm talking about here. So I'm going to make sure that when I'm wrapping with that silver hair, I'm going to wrap over my client's natural hair to make sure that you can't see it poking out. This wouldn't be an issue if the lock was the same color of my client's natural hair. I could probably get away with it, but since it's such a contrasting color, you want to make sure that they're not able to see any of their hair peeking through. Now the wrapping portion is super easy because this hair is coarse. You won't have an issue with it really unraveling. So all I'm doing is pulling one side through. Obviously that first side is going to be a little bit shorter. The side that you're wrapping, you want it to be long enough to wrap all the way to where you want to wrap, so you might need to measure that out. And then right before you run out of hair at the bottom, you're going to start wrapping upward, and that is what's going to help to seal that lock. You're just pretty much going to wrap until you run out of hair and your lock should be sealed. You can palm roll it if you want to. I used to put a little piece of glue there, but to be honest, I haven't even noticed my locks unraveling ever since I started using the spring twist hair, like I said, because the texture of it. If you're using a passion twist hair, I would definitely recommend sealing it wherever your lock is going to stop. So yeah, I hope I didn't miss anything in my explanation, but as always, if you guys have any questions, you can always leave them in the comment section down below and I'll do my best to answer them. If you guys would like to see another video using another color, I can do that as well, because I was really nervous about this color, y'all. But at the end, I was like, okay, like this is actually a hit. Okay, it took me a really long time to find a model, and Danae was like, you should have been hit me, because I'll literally do whatever. I'll literally try whatever. So I really love that about her, and it actually turned out looking fire. So I cannot wait for you guys to see the finished look. So I'm gonna get through these next couple locks, and I will see you guys at the finished look.
I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing without. Girl, I'm lost without you. I swear I'm lost without you. All I think about is I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing without you. Girl, I'm lost without you. I swear I'm lost without you. All I think about is you. Cause baby fine like wine. Now her spirit's all in my mind. Couldn't show up at a better time. They say you seek and you shall find. I know you want the truth inside the lies. Her heart cries, you know she traumatized. Don't know why, but looking for a reply. A piece of hope she keeping deep inside. I can't get enough of you. How many times you gon' run in circles? You can't keep on running from the truth. Go ahead and let them haters take a shot. You know our love is bulletproof. All they tryna do is drain your energy. Now it's time to recoup. I know they piss you off, got you hot, I'm loving how you play it like it's cool. Ever since you elevated, now they saying you be acting brand new. You ain't gotta worry about it, hit my line up, girl, you know I'm coming through. You know they say the word of jungle, feeling like an animal's on the loose. Let me be a stress reliever, baby, I can't wait to put my paws on you. I can't believe what anybody telling me. Tired of that drama, misery, and jealousy. Only time to tell if this really meant to be. I don't expect you to show me no sympathy. Walk out talking, I know my identity. Gave her my heart and told her I would never leave. No, she a rider, she already got the key. I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing without you. Girl, I'm lost without you. I swear I'm lost without you. All I think about is you. Cause baby fine like wine. Now her spirit's all in my mind. Couldn't show up at a better time. They say you seek and you shall find. I know you want the truth inside the lies. Her heart cries, you know she traumatized. Don't know why, but looking for a reply. A piece of hope she keeping deep inside.
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page? Tonight can we stay? And why don't you affection. Won't you give some of it to me? Yeah, I need you present. Instead of giving me presents, you're not getting off that easily. Oh, when we get back on the same page, tonight we can stay. And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation.
Alright guys, so here we are at her baby hairs. I'm using none other than the Dope collection. I always curl her baby hairs because they're just so naturally beautiful, and I always do kind of like a soft baby hair look on Danae. So when I actually ended up styling it at the end of the video, y'all, oh my god, her baby hairs were so messed up, and I didn't even peep it because I was so like focused on styling it, and it was also 1 a.m. So yeah, don't clown me for the way that these baby hairs look in the finished look, but I love the way that this turned out. So let me let you guys get into this finished look.
Don't you worry, don't be scared, I'll be there in a hurry. Keep it hot, but the drip on McFlurry. No second guessing this section for Shirley. Run it up, uncontested like free throws. I'm all in every time like casinos. Came here strictly for chips, I don't mingle. I just cash in, that my fashion. Run it up, uncontested like free throws. I'm all in every time.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to let me know how you guys feel about it in the comment section down below. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Big Pana. Tutorials, lives, reviews, yeah, all that. Big Pana, not the little one. Hey, what you mean? Big box braids on your top, yeah, add it up. Gang finna hit a milli, yeah, add it up. Pana, can you post a vid? I've been really booked and busy, but I got you, sis. Big subs, box braids, and they tug. Dropping gems, tell your friends, yeah, let's run it up. Big likes, drop a comment or we finna fight. Cause why wouldn't you like, comment, and subscribe to my video?